आउज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रब्बि ज़िदनी इल्मा रब्बि ज़िदनी इल्मा रब्बि ज़िदनी इल्मा। अस्सलामु अलैकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स, होप यू आर फाइन।
Unit 9 Modes of Communication. Communication is a process of sending and receiving messages. The message can be either spoken or written. In the present world, communication is of two types. Mainly there are two types of communication. First is personal communication and second is mass communication. First we will discuss about the personal communication. Personal communication means communication between the sender and receiver. The means of personal communication are postal system, telegraph, telephone, etc. Now we will discuss all these means of communication one by one. First we will discuss about the postal system. Millions of letters, cards, parcels and money orders are sent and received through post offices. Letters are the oldest means of communication. Postal mail is transported by vans, trains, aeroplanes and ships. Next is telegraph. In 1937, Samuel Morse invented a system of sending and receiving messages by telegraph. The telegraph is a method for communication over a distance. It uses electricity to send coded messages through wires. In the middle of 1800s, the telegraph was the fastest means of communication over long distances. Next is telephone. Telephone was invented by Alexander Graham Bell in 1857. It is the quickest mode of communication. On telephone, a person talks to another person living at distance. There are two types of telephone. Telephone which work through copper wire and optic wire are called landline phones, and telephone which work without wires are called mobile phones. We can also write messages by mobile and send it as a SMS. So there are mainly two types of telephone. First is landline phone and second is mobile phone. Next is email, means electronic mail. The first email was sent by Ray Tomlinson in 1971. Email is the short form of electronic mail. Similar to a letter, it is sent by the internet to a receiver. An email address is required to receive and send emails. So all these are means of communication. All these are examples of personal communication. That is first kind of communication. Personal communication is basically one-to-one communication, means one person is communicate to another person. Second kind of communication is mass communication. Mass communication helps in communicating with large number of people at the same time. The means of communication are print media and electronic media. First is print media. Print media includes newspaper, books, magazines, journals, etc. We read newspapers every day. It tells us about the different events of the world that took place all over the world. So in mass communication, one person can communicate more than one person or a group of persons, it could communicate all over the world. Now second kind of mass communication is electronic media. Electronic media means radio and television. First is radio. Radio was invented by Guglielmo Marconi. Radio programs are broadcasted to the whole world. Even illiterate person can listen and understand the radio programs. Now in radio there is only one sense is used, that is sense of hearing. But in television was invented by John Logie Baird in 1926. It is more effective than radio. Why? Because it involves both the sense of hearing and seeing. Any happening in any part of the world can see in the home. Now there are some amazing facts. Some early societies used drum beats and smoke signals to send messages. Fidipides ran 40 kilometers to deliver a message in the Battle of Marathon. And in early time, pigeons have been used for thousands of years to carry messages, to send their messages from one place to another place. This is how early people communicate with communicate with each other. So this was our lesson. Allah